Have you ever pondered how online tools could influence language proficiency? Hello, Reality Radar family. Welcome back to another enlightening episode. I'm your host, Lovish, and today we're exploring a topic that transcends borders. But before we delve into this linguistic journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our enriching discussions. Imagine a university student from Spain yearning to master the English language. The journey begins with traditional language classes. As time progresses, there seems to be a struggle to grasp the nuances of the English language. The tide turns upon finding an online language exchange program. Unlike her previous learning methods, this program exposes Maria to native English speakers from across the globe. A platform where she can practice real-time conversations, pick up colloquial phrases, and sharpen her listening skills, all within a safe, non-judgmental space. Virtual platform also allows her to engage in language exchange at her own pace, free from the constraints of time and geographical boundaries. Fast forward 6 months, proficiency in English has improved significantly. Now, the ability to understand complex English texts, express thoughts fluently, and even crack jokes in English is present. All these accomplishments were made possible by consistent participation in the online language exchange program. Maria's experience illustrates the significant impact of online language exchange programs. These platforms have the capability to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical usage, providing language learners with a more interactive, engaging, and effective way to enhance their proficiency. Today, we've gathered some crucial knowledge. We've discovered that online language exchange programs serve as a distinctive medium for language enthusiasts to practice and hone their language abilities in real-time interactions with native speakers. We also found out that these platforms promote a judgment-free zone, where learners can learn from their blunders, and enhance their lastly, they tear down geographical limits, rendering language learning achievable for anyone, no matter their location or time. In conclusion, online language exchange programs can significantly enhance language proficiency, as seen in Maria's journey from struggling with English to mastering. As we venture further into the digital age, these platforms may well become the cornerstone of language learning worldwide. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's about understanding, connecting, and expressing. And online language exchange programs seem to be paving the way for this holistic approach to language learning. Stay curious, stay open, and keep exploring the world of languages. If you found this linguistic journey intriguing, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more mind-expanding content right here. Until next time, this is Lovish signing off.